Warren planned a whole date night camping. We didn't have an air mattress, but I didn't want to sleep on the hard ground, so here I am, an alternative. I had to blow the things up kind of funny because I kept pinching my lip ring. Did you see that toe going nuts? This took all my air.
After all of that hoopla, I put together some fruits and some other stuff for our dinner. There was more in the fridge, obviously, and after all that was put together, I headed on out to the campsite. When I got there, Warren had everything already set up. He had made it look beautiful, and the view was just gorgeous. He did fantastic picking a place. We set up our picnic table. We watched the sunset. This family of geese stayed very close to us, but they were so loud and annoying. Good morning! Sleep wasn't that bad, actually. I was pleasantly surprised on those little blow-up things. They needed a little bit more air in the morning, but besides that, we were off the ground and it felt great. He woke up and he was like, "Oh, let's do it again." So we're doing it again tonight. I'm going home to get like firewood, a fire starter, and also mochi. We're gonna try that tonight. The wave, like water noises were really nice sleeping. But you know, it was really fun when teenagers came at like 1 in the morning and started swinging on the park that was like right there, and I was like, yes! Right here, if you look close enough, you can see that it's hit me that I'm getting old. What are you doing? This is so fun. I'm having such a good time. Now, with Mochi with us, all the fans are pointed to her. She was treated like a princess. She was a good watchdog, played with all of her friends, and was the first to alert us about the weather. Fairly quickly, we started packing everything up. Well, Warren started packing everything up while I got to watch the light show.